देखिए ट्विटर ने अपना लॉन्च न्यू फंक्शंस ट्विटर स्पेस. I just connected to Kushbu space for effective learning frameworks, and so many members are she added. Like you can see our interactive logo here, and this is a new feature launched by the Twitter when Elon Musk acquired the Twitter. So there are so many members are joining. 48 other listeners are also listening the host, and that is a good functions. If you have some any topics to
mindset becomes really difficult.
tell anything about some like science, technology, programming, codings, software networks related topics, if you have, you can make your space group here and you can tell whatever you want to tell about that particular topic. This is a new like Twitter space, and you can add the member, you can send the request, you can schedule any time for like your period, your topics, whatever you want to speak. Okay, just wait. Some two like Gaurav and Shubham is also interrupted in this video, but she muted because the power of all the things, like it's like a Zoom meeting, it's like a Google Meets, you have all the power to the host, either she muted or not to anyone. So this is a new function and it's very effective. I also launched 2 to 3 Twitter space group here. I in
If you
my
really want
next
to
video I
understand
just tell you each step how you can make your Twitter space and you can make your link for that. Okay, this video is related only Twitter space. Thanks for watching, and keep supporting RN Tech Tips for like this sort of technical videos. Thanks.